Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other noms de plume and nicknames. And today we're drawing Stinger Flynn from Garden of Banban. So here I am using the trusty Ticonderoga blue, and here's the black now that I've done the main part with the blue 420. I'm going to go back with this black one and darken it in. So Stingray Flynn is a jellyfish, so we just kind of took a couple of pictures and kind of put all this together. It's just real simple tree. Oh, it looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh, okay. So he's gonna go in with this Sharpie here, Drawn to You 2, and he's gonna go through all these major shapes, and I think so he added something here and I didn't know what that was, but okay, here it is. Zulfius. He's adding Zulfius. So after he goes through with a Sharpie, he's switching here to this is a Pigma Micron, and I'm pretty sure it's an 8. And here comes another improv move from 2. He decided he wanted to have a sun. He said, "Can I want to add I want to add a sun." And I said, "Sure, go ahead." And he just drew that line right there. And he started marking these, and I thought, "Oh, that's really cool right there." So I'm very proud of him for coming up with that. So I did make one solid contribution here. He's doing the water, and he decided to do that in 2 colors. And then he said, "What am I going to do for the sky?" And I said, "Why don't you take one of those blue Ticonderoga 420T and fill it in like that?" And so he filled in the sky with that one. All right, we are coming up on the end of this guy. There's the final product right there. So we're really happy that you joined us again. This is sort of a shorter one than most of our videos. We did all in time lapse, so that's okay. But yeah, here we are with Zulfius and Stinger Flynn. Very happy you're with us. We'll see you next time. And until then, Internet, I'm drawn to you.